This is my Killer Instinct home arcade system. There is no other home system out here like this one. This one boots up directly to your TV and will play Killer Instinct 1 and Killer Instinct 2 on your TV. This is my own personal system that I built, and I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration of what it can do. This is the controller that I've customized and built for me. It has 10 buttons on it. There is a mouse, and there is the console system. I custom built the console system to play specifically on the TV set. You can also play out to a monitor, but it hooks directly to a TV, and it also boots directly up to the TV set. I recently attached a CD-ROM onto it so I can load more of my favorite ROMs onto the system and play all of them on my TV set. It hooks up with standard RCA connections. The joystick plugs into the side with a Y connection, so you can attach another joystick to it. I got another one made, I just don't have it here right now. I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration of what this system can do. Going over to the TV right now. I'm going to select the emulator with the mouse. If I can find it. Here we go. And there you have it. Killer Instinct playable on your home TV. Here's a little bit of the intro for you. I'll turn it up. I know you can probably barely hear it. I'm going to bypass the intro screen and hit the start button on the controller, which is located right here. If the video you've seen is not that clear, it's probably because I'm only recording in 320 by 240 resolution. It's actually crystal clear on my TV set. And right now the game is in free play. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Here you can see I can move the joystick left or right. I'm going to select Glacius. Full motion video. 100% playable on your TV set. Okay, I'm going to exit out of it. Hit the exit button on the controller. I'm going to select the game again, and I'll start Killer Instinct 2. There you have it, Killer Instinct 2, also playable on my own system. As I said before, I built this system strictly for me. It's my own personal system. If you want information on how you can make your own, you can call me at the phone number on my video site page. There's a phone number and an email address on there. Just wanted to show you a little bit of what actually I can do, and thank you for watching.